Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to download Apex Legends. I decided I'm going to download it on my laptop, but this should work on a PC. So all you got to do is go into the link I'm going to provide in the description. And then once you click on the link, this is what you're going to see. Click download for free. And you can choose whatever console you're on right now. I am on my laptop, so you click PC. And then click save. Alright guys, once it's done downloading, click open. Then click install Origin, click accept, continue. Alright guys, once it's installed, it's gonna ask you to either create an account or sign in. Right now all you gotta do is create an account and just select whatever year you were born. Click agree, next, and then the rest, put an email in there, create a password, and then create a public name for yourself. And then alright guys, once you created your account, this is what it should look like. Click accept, and then since I already had an account, it's gonna ask me to download Apex Legends already because I already had it, and I don't have it's telling me right here that I don't have enough space on my C drive, but luckily I have 2 drives, so all you gotta do is go change. And I'm not sure if you guys caught that, but the whole installation is 47 gigs, almost 48 gigs. So yeah, you're gonna need this much space to download this. And right now on my C drive I only have 4 gigs available, so I'm gonna change that to my D drive. Alright guys, once you choose the right drive you want to install it, click next, and then click accept, click next, and then it's gonna start downloading. Guys, depending on your internet speed, this might take a while, and then for me, my internet sucks, so this might take all night, which I suggest you guys doing. Leave your computer on all night, let it download. As you can see, I'm downloading at 1 megabyte a second, which really sucks. I know some people are getting 800 megabytes and probably download in about 30 minutes. Last time I did a video on how to download Fortnite, some people saying they were downloading the whole game like 5 minutes, and it's about the same. So yeah guys, depending on internet speed, this might take a while or this might take a couple seconds. I'll be back when this is done installing. If you guys want to see something funny, check out the time right now. It's 6 p.m. and then look at the date. When this is done installing, it should be 5 hours at least. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys once this is done. I'll come back. Alright guys, once it's done downloading, this is what it's gonna look like. It's just gonna say play, and all you gotta do is click play. And then I'm not sure what it's doing, but here we go. Alright guys, so this is Apex Legends.
Battle lies below. First blood.
Round 1.
Bucket here. Level 2.
Helmet here. Level 1.
kill leader appointed.
Watch out for the new kill leader, friend.
Body shield here. Level 1.
Marking our surroundings. Taking fire, friends.
Reloading.
The ring is close. Less than a minute.
Reloading. Reload. Not far. I'm getting shot.
Healing my wounds. Took out an enemy. The enemies are shooting at me. Opening fire on the enemy. Let's explore this way. Shot a cargo bot. Enemy over there. More friends are coming to kill us. There's another squad. Battling me. I am taking fire. Reloading. The enemies are shooting at me. I am down. Hostile right here. I am taking fire. Marking our surroundings.
Watch out, I'm opening the sky.
Down the hostile. Airstrike.
One down. Got ourselves a new kill leader.
Hostile close.
No worries, brother. I got you.
Your help is very helpful.
Contact with hostile.
I'm down.
All Father, give me sight.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.